The 2020 spring show season may seem like a bust, but we are determined to still give you a Finley Show experience in 2020, which means we are moving things online for a virtual show. This is a new experience for us all, so we wanted to give you this little how-to guide to help you enter and submit your exhibits for our Online Pavilion Show. Firstly, you will need to fill out an entry form. We've made things super easy by making our form fillable, and if you need help filling it in, we've already created another how-to video showing you what to do, so do check that out if you need. Once you've filled in your form, please send it to our Finley Show Entries email, making sure that the subject line reads Pavilion Entries and your name or family name. While you wait for a reply, go ahead and take the required photos or scans of your exhibits. And to really help us out so we don't make any mistakes when entering your items, please rename each file with the class you're entering and your name. When we've received your form, we will email you a link where you can upload all your entries. If you submitted entry forms for multiple people, you will need to submit the entries of each person individually. Again, we don't want to make any mistakes, so doing each person one at a time will really help us with all the behind-the-scenes stuff. Please note this link will expire in 48 hours, so do email us if the link has expired before you can use it or finish all your uploads. To make things easier on yourself, it's helpful to have all your exhibit photos ready to go in one folder. That way you can just select all and drag and drop them into the uploader. When prompted, please fill in your name and email address, and if you're uploading for other people, please use their name. Then just sit back and relax while the files upload. The upload time will vary depending on the number of files you are uploading and their size. Make sure you leave the browser window and tab open until the upload is complete. If you've forgotten to upload an entry, just repeat the process. If you want to enter more items, simply submit another form and we will repeat the steps again. Entries close 6 p.m. Sunday, the 30th of August. So if you're a little unsure about the whole process, it's better to get started sooner rather than later so we can help you along the way. Again, we are all new to this process, so do bear with us as we learn alongside you. Thanks for supporting this online venture and happy entering.